Good afternoon to all present here. First of all, wishing you a wonderful Women's Day. Happy Women's Day to all. We are going to represent the powerful woman in front of you all. I represent myself as Kalpana Chawla. I am Kalpana Chawla. I was born in 17th of March 1962. My achievement was I traveled over 10.4 million miles and spent more than 372 hours in space during my first mission. I was the first Indian woman and second Indian person who traveled in the space. I inspired lots of people, especially young women and girls, to follow their dreams in science, technology, and exploration. I got many medals, awards like Congressional Space Medal of Honor, the NASA Space Medal, and the NASA Distinguished Service Medal. Thank you.
Good afternoon to all. My name is Neha. I am presenting myself as Indira Gandhi. I was born in 19 November 1970 in Allahabad, Uttar Pradesh. I am the first Indian woman Prime Minister and second longest serving Indian Prime Minister after my father. The two extreme points of India, the northernmost India Pole and the southernmost Indira Point, are named after me. I am elected as the President of the Indian National Congress in 1959 and Rabindranath Tagore named me as Priyadarshini as I came to know as Indira Priyadarshini Nehru. As I declared the war against Pakistan in 1971, India was victorious and Bangladesh was born out of East Pakistan. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone. I am Anushka Saini and I represent myself as Squadron Leader Avni Chaturvedi. I was born 27 October 1993 as an Indian pilot from River District, Madhya Pradesh. I was declared as first female combat pilot in India along with my two cohorts, Mohana Singh Jitwal and Bhavna Khan. It was October 2015 that the Indian government decided to open the fighter stream for women. B-Trio was introduced Indian Air Force Fighter Squadron in June 2016.
Good afternoon everyone. I am Kritika Sharma. I am presenting myself as Mother Teresa. I am Mother Teresa born in Skopje, Macedonia in 1910 and devoted my life to helping the poor, sick and dying. At the age of 18, I joined the Sisters of Florida in Ireland where I began my missionaries work in India. I founded the Missionaries of Charity Aid in 1950, a congregation dedicated to serving the poorest of the poor. My work focused on providing care for the sick, especially those suffering from leprosy, tuberculosis and AIDS. I received the Nobel Prize in 1979 for my tireless efforts to alleviate human suffering. In 1980, I received the Bharat Ratna, India's highest civilian awards. Throughout my life, I lived by the motto, not all of us can do great things, but we can do small things with great love. Thank you.
Good morning, my name is Nancy Sharma. I am representing myself as a Lata Mangeshkar. I was born on September 29, 1929 in Indore, Madhya Pradesh and began my musical journey at very young age. With a career span over 70 years, I recorded over 30,000 songs in various languages. I am Lata Mangeshkar, often called Nightingale of India, known for unmatched contribution to Indian music. My voice becomes synonymous with the golden era of Bollywood music and I became the voice of countless legendary actors. I have been honored with prestigious awards like Bharat Ratna, Padam Vibhushan. Even after my passing, my songs continue to inspire and remain timeless, a legacy that endures forever. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone. My name is Shanti Katta.
Polish and naturalized French physicist and chemist who conducted pioneering research on radioactivity. I was the first woman to win a Nobel Prize, the first person to win a Nobel Prize twice, and only person to win a Nobel Prize in 2 scientific fields. In 1906, I was the first woman to become a professor at the University of Paris. During World War I, I developed mobile radiography units to provide X-ray services to field hospitals. I died in 1934, aged 66, at the Saint-Cyr-Mons Sanatorium in Passy, France. Aplastic anemia likely from exposure to radiation in the course of my scientific research and in the course of my radiological work at field hospitals during World War I. In addition to the Nobel Prizes, I received numerous other honors and reviews. Thank you.
At the end, we can say that International Women's Day is not just about one day of appreciation. It is a reminder that the fight for equal rights must continue every day. A world where women are treated with respect, dignity and fairness is a world that benefits everyone. Thank you. Once again, Happy International Women's Day.
Thank you.
खतरनाक है लैब में खाना, मशरूबात भी यहाँ ना पीना।
तन्हा मत करना तुम काम, बुरा होगा वरना अंजाम,
बुरा होगा वरना अंजाम। Safety, 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 save yourself, save yourself, save yourself. Safety, 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 save yourself, save yourself, save yourself. करे शरारत जो भी लैब में,
होगा वही फिर एम्बुलेंस कैब में।
जानो सब ये हकीकत यारो, जिंदगी बेशकीमत यारो। जानो सब ये हकीकत यारो, जिंदगी बेशकीमत यारो।
जिंदगी बेशकीमत है यारो।
Safety, 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 save yourself, save yourself, save yourself. Safety, 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 save yourself, save yourself, save yourself.
Don't smell it, just waft it, waft it, waft it. Don't smell it, just waft it, waft it, waft it.
स्पीकर के ऊपर धरो हाथ, नाक ऊपर उठाओ साथ।
Don't smell it, just waft it, waft it, waft it. Hey scientist, you must be aware. Come on, come on, safety is a serious affair.
ध्यान से हम हर काम करेंगे, रोशन होगा नाम,
वरना बुरा होगा अंजाम।
Lab safety is our priority.
आखिरी में आप लोगों से एक बात कहना चाहूंगा, सेफ्टी रूल नहीं है बहुत बड़े, अगर नहीं फॉलो किया तो यमराज है खड़े।